Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I do want to talk about Bitcoin and crypto. And yes guys, right, yesterday was in fact a very important and exciting day. We did in fact see who the 47th president was, and it was Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump has officially won this election and has become president once again. Okay, and obviously this is very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, and that's why guys, okay, yesterday we saw Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of $75,000. Even altcoins were pumping yesterday. Okay, Solana was pumping, Ethereum was pumping, Chainlink, right, Dogecoin, okay, was pumping, and many more, right? The entire crypto market yesterday saw some massive gains, okay, because of course of Donald Trump winning the election, right? So we know this is very bullish for crypto and especially Bitcoin. So in today's video, okay, I want to talk more about Bitcoin, give you guys a little update what's happening with Bitcoin today, okay, since it did reach a new all-time high, what's happening with Bitcoin right now. And as usual, there is in fact some Bitcoin charts that I do in fact want to show you guys. Okay, so that being said, let's see what is Bitcoin doing today. So Bitcoin today, okay, 74,600, okay, still holding very strong. Okay, we know Bitcoin's all-time high, okay, previous all-time high, as I should say, because yes, yesterday we did see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high, right? Bitcoin's previous all-time high was over $73,000, around $73,800. Okay, and that was back in March, so a couple months back. Okay, and that's when we saw Bitcoin reaching $73,800, and just yesterday we saw it reaching, okay, breaking its previous highs, and of course reaching a new all-time high above $75,000, around $75,100. Now, earlier this morning, okay, we did actually see Bitcoin reaching another new high. It actually touched $76,000, guys. Yes, right. So earlier this morning, we did actually see Bitcoin, okay, reaching a new all-time high of 76K. And as I told you guys many times, okay, once we see a very clear breakout from this resistance line, okay, once we see a clear breakout, Bitcoin will be reaching new highs. And I really do believe, okay, Bitcoin has huge potential to reach $100,000 all the way up here. Okay, I think that is very possible, and I still believe that Bitcoin is still on track to reaching at least 100K towards the end of this year in 2024, before the year 2025, right? I still believe that is still 100% on track. So Bitcoin today is still, okay, looking pretty good. It's still above, okay, you know, its previous all-time highs, $73,800, this red line right here. So it's still holding very strong. Okay, we are in fact in the 15-minute time frame. Now Ethereum today is pumping, right? Ethereum, okay, $2,800. I must say it's looking pretty good right now for Ethereum. And we know, guys, for the past like few weeks, even for the past few months, Ethereum hasn't really been moving, not as much as something like Bitcoin, right? Yeah, Ethereum for the past few weeks, past few months hasn't really been moving. Okay, I would have expected to see Ethereum at least over $3,000 by now, but hey, it is not too far from $3,000, even above 3K. Okay, it really isn't. So today, Ethereum is moving, right? Ethereum is truly moving. It's back above $2,800, looking absolutely amazing today for Ethereum. And Solana today looking pretty good. Okay, it looks like it wants to, you know, reach back up to $200 and beyond, you know, going back up to its previous highs, and of course reaching new highs. And I really do believe Solana has huge potential to do that. So yeah, Solana is still looking pretty good. Chainlink today looking pretty good. We are in fact seeing Chainlink now back at $12. Okay, and soon enough, okay, we're gonna see Chainlink, you know, going back up to like $13 and higher, right? Now, Dogecoin. Let's have a look at Dogecoin real quick. Dogecoin is having a slight drop today. Okay, back at 19 cents. Yesterday we saw it at 21 cents. I believe, yeah, 21 cents, almost 22 cents. for Doge. But yeah, it's still holding, pretty well, I must say. Now, the market today, okay, global crypto market cap sitting at 2.51 trillion. So it's great to see that the global crypto market cap is now back at 2.5 trillion. And overall today, the market is up 1%, over 1%, right? Almost 2%. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin right now, not moving, right? But look at Ethereum, 8%. Okay, so Ethereum today, like I said, is moving. Altcoins, BNB is moving 2%, okay, XRP 3%, Cardano 2%, Avalanche 3%, Chainlink 4%, and yeah, the list goes on. We are in fact seeing a fair few alts moving. Look at Pepe today, 8%, right? So a fair few alts are still in the greens, just like where we saw them yesterday, okay, but some of these altcoins are actually dropping back down, having a correction, which is to be expected because yesterday we saw massive gains for Bitcoin and altcoins. So it's understandable why today we're not seeing, some altcoins not really moving. Same with Bitcoin today, right? But other altcoins, they're still continuing to move up to the upside. So I must say the crypto market is still looking absolutely amazing. Of course it is, right? Because we are obviously in a bull market. Okay, the bull run has pretty much started, guys. And this is the beginning of a massive bull market, right? So get ready for that. Now, of course, right, since Bitcoin has been pumping, especially yesterday, reaching new highs, and of course, earlier this morning, reaching a new high of $76,000. Okay, Bitcoin is obviously in the greens for this month of November so far, right? We are a week into this month, okay, only 1 week into this month, 7 days into this month, and Bitcoin is up over 6%, almost 7%. And we are obviously in the green. So it's looking like it's a great start for this month of November. Obviously at the beginning, right, of November, the early days, the first day, the second day, and the third day, we're obviously in the reds. We're actually down like over 2%, almost 3% at one point. But now it's flipped in the greens and we are almost up 7%. Okay, so it's still looking pretty good for November, and as expected, right, November is going to be an amazing month, okay, for Bitcoin and crypto. Same with December, which is next month. Okay, so get ready for that, guys, right? And of course, September and October were in fact green months. And usually when we see, September and October having green months, we're going to see November and December in the greens as well. We've seen that for 2023. We've seen that for even 2016 and back in 2015, right? So history will pretty much repeat itself, right? Now, guys, look at this, the Fin Greed Index. And as expected, okay, the sentiment is now in extreme greed, holding at 77. We are in the greens, guys. And of course, okay, this is to be expected, right? Yesterday, Bitcoin was absolutely skyrocketing to a record high. Altcoins, a lot of crypto gains yesterday. Okay, so yeah, obviously, okay, the Fin Greed Index, okay, will be in extreme greed. So yes, the sentiment is looking pretty good. It has changed to greed mode. Even yesterday was in greed mode at 70, but not as high as where it is right now at 77. Last week we also saw it at 77. Last month we saw it at neutral at 49. Okay, so this just shows you guys that we can, go to, greed mode in a matter of time, in a short amount of time, right? The sentiment does change very, very quickly. Okay, it really, really does. Now, guys, real quick, okay, whales, okay, are buying hundreds of Bitcoins. Okay, a lot of whales out there, okay, are in fact buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Okay, millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Okay, and us retail investors, we should be buying as much as we possibly can as well. We know a lot of institutions out there, the big buyers, the whales and whatnot, they are buying a whole bunch. For example, BlackRock, right? They are continuing to buy, okay, a whole bunch of Bitcoin. And us retail investors, we should be doing the exact same thing because they understand, okay, the whales, they understand where Bitcoin is heading in the next few months, especially next year, right? 2025. So understand, guys, this is a very, very crucial time to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Okay, it really, really is, because the price of Bitcoin will go much, much higher. Understand, guys, we are in fact in a bull run right now. Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high. Understand that, right? The bull market, it's happening right now. we are in fact officially in a bull market. Understand that, guys. So why are you guys not buying? Okay, so please take this as an opportunity to buy as much as you possibly can. Now, yes, guys, Donald Trump wins this election and becomes the 47th president of America, right? So y'all can clearly see Donald Trump officially won the election. Okay, and this is obviously, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is, because we know, guys, that Donald Trump, okay, he is Bitcoin friendly, right? He likes Bitcoin. Okay, he's in the game for Bitcoin, right? He likes Bitcoin. He's in the game. Okay, he went to the Bitcoin conference. Okay, he went on stage. Okay, in Nashville, and has said many things. Amazing things. Bullish things, positive things about Bitcoin, right? And he's actually the first ever president to use Bitcoin and talk about, Bitcoin and crypto, right? He really, really is. So Donald Trump is truly making history right now for Bitcoin and crypto, right? He really, really is. And this is why it's very, very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. And that's why yesterday we saw Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs, right? So that's that. But look at Michael Saylor. Okay, look at what he posted on X. We have a Bitcoin president. Okay. Yes, we do. In fact, we do, guys. Okay, and yes, okay, this is obviously amazing for Bitcoin, especially, right? And this is going to be very, very bullish for the crypto market. Okay, so get ready for massive gains, guys, especially, this upcoming bull run. We're going to see some massive gains. Trust me, like this upcoming bull run that we are in fact in right now, like we are literally right at the beginning. We're going to, see massive gains, and this is going to be like the most biggest epic bull run of our lifetime. Okay, so expect massive gains for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin will be in the 6 figs very, very shortly. Trust me. Okay, so get ready for that. But guys, I just want to show you guys this chart and another chart, right? There's only 2 charts today that I want to show you guys, starting off with this one. And we know Bitcoin has been, forming this cup and handle pattern, okay? And we are in fact seeing a breakout right now from this cup and handle pattern, okay? And when we see this breakout, it's going to lead Bitcoin, okay, to $110,000, right? So right now we are in fact seeing a breakout, okay? And the target is going to be over $100,000, $110,000. And as I told guys many times, okay, I do see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K towards the end of this year in 2024, before the year 2025, right? I still believe that is still on track. So y'all can clearly see in this chart, okay, the target is over 100K. So all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready for Bitcoin to reach in the 6 figs for the first time ever in USD, right? Because in other currencies, Bitcoin has already reached over 6 figs, right? Over $100,000. It has already done that. But USD, okay, it has not done that yet. But it will happen very, very soon. So get ready for that. But yes, guys, okay, Bitcoin bull market has officially started every single time, guys, okay? And I love this chart because it just clearly shows you guys, okay, after a US election, this is pretty much when the bull market begins. And like I said, okay, we are pretty much at the beginning of a bull market. Like we are literally at the beginning, okay, of a bull market. Okay, the remaining few weeks into this month of 2024 will be amazing. And of course, throughout next year in 2025 will be amazing as well, guys. So you guys can clearly see in the past, okay, 2020, we had the election. What did Bitcoin do? It pumped. And of course, throughout 2021, it pumped. Same with, 2016. And of course, back in 2016, that's when Donald Trump, okay, won that election, at the time, and he became, the 45th president. And what did Bitcoin do? It pumped, right? It entered the next bull market and bull run, right? And of course, throughout 2017, it skyrocketed. And we're going to see pretty much the exact same thing for this time around. So get ready for that, you guys, because 200K Bitcoin to even 300K Bitcoin and beyond, is going to happen. It is coming, and I hope you guys are prepared for it. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin right now is still holding very, very steadily, okay, above $74,000. So it's still looking pretty good, still holding very, very strong. Okay, I will keep you guys updated, so stay tuned for that. But on that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. That is always appreciated, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.